My name's Becky McVicar and I'm working for BBC Casualty across production and editorial. My favourite thing about working in these teams is the wealth of knowledge you get. There are so many people who've been in the industry for so many years, and the amount they're so happy to share with you is an absolute delight every day. Being on set is really, really cool. I've learned so much in such a short space of time, and I've got loads of confidence, and from my first day thinking, what on earth is going on, to day 5 of being like, checks to shoot, like just in such a small space of time, I felt like I've grown a lot, and people are really quick to nurture you. Yeah, I think one of the most valuable things I've learned is keeping audiences at the heart of what you do, making sure that in the storylines people are represented, making sure that day-to-day life is reflected with accuracy and with empathy throughout storylines. And I've seen the amount of attention to detail that goes into that, and it's really heartwarming and wholesome. This role is so much more than I expected, because on day 1 I thought I knew the career path I wanted to go, and now all I want is this squiggly career that goes from production team, running and ADing, to writing and story, and there is so many more jobs than what I anticipated would be in these teams, and I want to try all of them. If you're applying, just come as you are and bring all the enthusiasm in the world with you, because they care so much more about what you want to bring than what you already have. And they don't expect you to know anything at all. I didn't know anything. I hadn't worked in TV at all before working here, and they are so willing to teach you and nurture you. And if you've got that experience, then you're already there. They can do the rest.